Today we'll talk about how can you add your height on your app, on your fasting tracker app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go down, click here on me down here. When you just click here on me, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. And all you have to do, just click on this sign here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Click here on personal data. Then you come to next step here, click here on height. So then here can you add it in this list when you're done. So just click on save here. So then it's going to add video on your uh, fasting tracker. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.